Hey guys, welcome back to Trading Hour. We are currently seeing around a 50-point cut on the Nifty. The Nifty Bank is where you've seen the losses widen a little bit, so it's around 150 points lower over there as well. Take a look at something like an Axis, which has slipped quite a bit. ICICI Bank at the low point of the day. So these are some of the stocks which are exerting pressure on the Nifty Bank. What has actually moved up a little bit in the past few minutes is Reliance Industries. So that one is absolutely flat right now, but it has seen a significant move from the low point of the day. Remember, Reliance will post earnings tomorrow as well. So ahead of that, right now, it's absolutely flat. But let's get you a technical check on the market. Kush Bohra joins us for exactly that. Kush, good morning and thanks a lot for joining us. You know, considering the kind of global handover we've had, we definitely opened in the red, but we have seen a decent recovery from there. How do you look at it there? And I mean, it's looking pretty resilient, right? In that context, around a 50-point cut is not that bad.
Well, first up, thank you for having me on the show, and I'll give you a couple of factors to just support what you just said. Well, I remain bullish in the markets for the near term, and a couple of technical factors just to support that point are that there's a very clear RSI divergence on the Nifty. Second, the more number of times we test, but we don't break the 17,750, 17,800 support zone, the stronger it gets. So for me, there's an immediate buy on Nifty for a target of 18,300, 18,400 kind of levels, and 18,000 would be my strong stop loss. Maybe not today. It's a positional bet. Today is the weekly expiry, so that hangover will play out. On the Bank Nifty also, I remain extremely bullish. I wouldn't be surprised if positionally, there is a move towards the 44,000 mark in the coming months on the Bank Nifty. A couple of reasons here. First, the support of 41,500, 42,000 is playing out very well. Second, the results that are coming out are extremely encouraging. Now, the only two factors that I feel that are holding the Bank Nifty back are the FII outflows and the budget expectations. So once the budget is over, post that, I think the Bank Nifty could start a new hike towards Mount 44K. On a more immediate basis, 42,800 is my target on the Bank Nifty, and 42,000 is where I have the stop loss on Bank Nifty.
All right. What about individual stocks then? What are you looking at? Kush, welcome to the show. Suddenly, from being the much hated sector, IT has once again become the darling of the market. I guess that's how the tide turns, right? Very quickly in the market. Do you like any of these stocks?
Well, I do. Well, and as they say, in hindsight, we're all geniuses, but that's how markets sort of humble you. There have been times when IT has lost flavor, but it's sort of coming back. I won't be too gung-ho about the IT sector, for let's say a couple of quarters. Seems more like a trading play right now. So HCL Tech is something that I like in the IT space. As far as the other stocks go, Tata Steel was my last call for 2022 for a target of 116, and that seems like a distant history now, doesn't it? So and I continue to remain bullish on the metal space. So Tata Steel will continue as a call. 130 is my target on this, and 120 is the stop loss. HDFC Bank, I was listening to Rima talk about HDFC Bank's outperformance at least today versus the ICICI Bank move. I think this is only the beginning. This outperformance will continue. It's coming out of a slump. So I think the move will continue. I won't be surprised to see 1725 levels on HDFC Bank. But for a more immediate basis, 1675 is my target, which is a recent swing high, and 1625 would be my stop loss.
Thank you very much for that. Need to slip into a very short break. Up next, we'll discuss market fundamentals. Siddharth Khemka, Motilal Oswal Financial